Okay guys, so in the previous video we have seen that how to add the footer. Now in this video we are going to see that how to add a table so that we can see the listing of the students whenever the user will click on the view student. Okay, so to add a table, what we will do that we will go to the React Bootstrap. Okay, and there I will try to look for the table. Okay, so here in the search I'm typing a table. Okay, so I would be having list of tables. Okay, so I'll be picking this particular table, but before that I'm going to create a new component for this view student, so that component would be visible over here. So let me go to the VS Code. There I'm going to create a new component called view students.js. Okay, and this is the place where I'm going to put the code related to table. Okay, so here I'm just going to have that table code inside this div. Okay, so let me go back to the React Bootstrap. Okay, and this is the code related to table. So let me copy this and paste it over here. Okay, I have pasted that, and along with that I must have to import the table from the bootstrap. Okay, so let me copy and paste it over here. Okay, I have some mistake. Okay, what is the mistake? That here that this should be view student followed by function. Okay, and then parentheses. Okay, sorry, curly braces, and inside the curly brace I must have written. Okay, if you will do like this, then and then it would work. Okay, so let me format the document. Let me format the document. Yeah, it was over here. Okay, so let me copy this and let me paste it over here. Okay, basically it is nothing but the same thing. Okay, so just formatting the document, and now the table should be there. Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to add this view student.js inside the app.js, and here I'm going to put below the navigation bar. So what I supposed to write? I have to write view student. Okay, and let me check the application should be displaying this table. Perfect. Guys, the table is there, but it is not looking properly. Okay, so what I can do that I can have a container over here. That container will display it properly. Container. I'm not going to put the navigation bar into the container, so I'm just going to write outside the navigation bar. Okay, and it says that the container is not defined, so obviously, as you might have guessed, that I must have to import it from the React Bootstrap. So import container from not React DOM but React dash Bootstrap, this one. Okay, now it should work. Yeah, it is working perfectly. And also if you want to specify some space between the navigation bar and the table, let's do that. How can I do that? So I will go to the view student.js, and there here I will be specifying that class name is equal to my-3. I'll provide the 3 space in the y direction. Okay, so let's see. Now you can see that it is displaying properly. Okay, and also if you want to do some kind of fading over here, that also you can do. Okay, so how can I do that? So for that I have to use the card component, right? Let me have the card component. I will write the code inside the card. Okay, this is the card. I have just copied that. Let me remove this. This is not required. Card outside team. Okay, let me see the application. Yeah, obviously I must have to import it. Okay, so I'm importing it. Import card from React Bootstrap. Okay, yeah, here I must have to specify the card, then and then it is going to work. Yeah, okay, now it should work. Okay, so here you can see some border is there, right? So let me give the card related information. So here I'm going to provide the card dot header, so that will display the title above the table. Okay, so the table title should be what? Student listing. Okay, right, let's see that. Right, I think you are able to see the student listing. Okay, so now instead of this class name keeping over here, that is my3, I have to keep in the car, then and then it is going to have some distance between the navigation bar and the card which we have put over here, right? And finally you can have the card footer also, like this, that card dot footer. Okay, and nothing is displayed right now. Okay, but if you want, then you can display. Let me write something. This is the information of students. Okay, I hope this is clear to all of you. So guys, this is all about that adding the table to the React.js application. Okay, that's it for this video.